Clove water has been used by many people, praising its hair growth benefits, and I can understand why. Clove water has so many amazing medicinal properties, which makes sense why people use it for scalp health and hair growth. Now, I want to highlight the 3 main benefits of using clove water on your hair and scalp. I also want to show you the best way to make it and how to use it for the best results. And I want to share some potential things to look out for when using it on your hair and scalp. But before jumping into this video, please let me know down below if you've ever tried clove water in the past. And if you did, what was your experience, good or bad? First of all, clove water is great for individuals suffering with dandruff, which is a fungal infection on the scalp. It's also good for other forms of mold-like fungi, such as Tinea capitis, also known as ringworm. Now, this is good to know because if you are suffering from any forms of scalp fungi, it can cause severe itchiness, scaling, and inflammation on the scalp, which contributes to dryness and overall hair loss. So if you have a dry, sore, itchy, and or flaky scalp, then clove water may be worth a try. Another reason why clove water can be amazing for your hair and scalp is because it is rich in vitamins and minerals. Now, one compound in particular called eugenol is extremely important because it helps to assist the body with detoxification. Now, this is key because this means that it helps to reduce inflammation in the body, and of course, this includes your scalp. Now, this is very beneficial for those suffering from hair loss due to scalp issues due to inflammation. Now, eugenol also helps to combat infections on the scalp, which can increase your chances for amazing hair growth. So if your scalp is inflamed and sore, then clove water may be for you. Now, clove water can also add a natural shine to your hair, which is an added benefit. So now I want to show you the best way to make clove water and how to use it on your scalp and on your hair. Add 2 cups of filtered water into a saucepan and bring it to a boil. While that's heating, crush about 20 cloves. Crush them well. Once the water is finished boiling, take it off the heat and add your crushed cloves. When the mixture has cooled down, strain the mixture and then add 20 drops of lavender essential oil, 10 drops of tea tree essential oil, and 10 drops of rosemary essential oil. Pour the mixture into a spray bottle and shake well. Then spray the mixture onto your hair and scalp and massage it in for 3 to 5 minutes. This will help you to get the best results. Now that you know how to make and use clove water, I want to leave you with some special cautionary tips before using it yourself. Now, just like any new product on your hair and scalp, you must be careful. Even though it is all natural, there can be potential side effects for some of those who try it. So please be aware that some people may be sensitive or allergic to clove water. Others may have irritation on the scalp, while others may experience dryness. Some ways to offset these potential issues would be to do a patch test, meaning try it on a small part of your body to see if there are any negative reactions. If not, then the next step would be for you to use it infrequently at first, let's say once or twice a week. Now, if there are still no adverse reactions, then you can use it more frequently. Also, try not to use clove water with other products at first. See how your body reacts to clove water on its own, and if you have no negative reactions, then add back your normal hair care products into your regimen, but still monitor to see if any potential reactions arise. Now, I hope this video helped you. Please let me know down below if you are ready to try clove water, and if you do, please come back and let me know how it worked for you. Please like this video if it was helpful, subscribe to the channel for more hair growth tips, and share this video with anyone you know who may be struggling with scalp and or hair growth issues. Thanks for watching another one of my videos. Don't be a stranger. Let's stay connected, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.